OPPO Find X8, cutting-edge power and design. OPPO has once again pushed the boundaries of smartphone innovation with the launch of the OPPO Find X8. This flagship device comes equipped with powerful internals, a sleek design, and camera capabilities that cater to both professionals and casual users. Running on the latest Android V15 with OPPO's ColorOS, the Find X8 promises not only a fresh user experience but also long-term support with 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security updates. Under the hood, the OPPO Find X8 is driven by the formidable MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, a 3nm powerhouse featuring an octa-core CPU that includes a blazing fast Cortex X925 core clocked at 3.63 GHz. With configurations of 12 GB or 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 256 GB or 512 GB UFS 4.0, the device is engineered for high performance across multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Its AnTuTu benchmark score of 2,339,136 is a clear indicator of its elite-tier performance, although some competitors do edge it out slightly in synthetic testing. The Find X8 boasts a 6.59-inch Pro XDR LTPO display that delivers immersive visuals with a resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and an eye-watering peak brightness of 4500 nits. With HDR10+ support, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and a 94.3% screen-to-body ratio, the screen is ideal for content consumption, gaming, and day-to-day use. Photography is another strong point of the Find X8. It features a triple 50MP camera setup on the rear, including a wide-angle lens, ultra-wide, and a telephoto lens offering up to 120x digital zoom and 3x optical zoom. Features like WAH, laser autofocus, HDR, and dual video recording ensure you can capture moments in crystal clarity, whether it's daytime shots, low-light scenes, or action footage. The 32MP front-facing camera continues the excellence, capable of recording 4K video at 60 fps, perfect for vloggers and selfie lovers alike. Powering all of this is a robust 5630 mAh silicon carbon battery, which supports 80 watts Super VOOC fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and even 10 watts reverse wireless charging. While the battery life clocks in at around 10 hours on PC Mark's test, it makes up for it with a swift 50-minute charge time from 20% to full. This makes it an ideal choice for heavy users who value quick top-ups during the day. The phone also sports IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, a lightweight and durable build with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i on the back, and a slim profile at 7.85mm thickness and 193 grams in weight. In terms of connectivity, users can expect full 5G support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and stereo speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos for a rich audio experience. Overall, the OPPO Find X8 stands as a compelling flagship for those who want a high-performance smartphone with a stunning display, premium build, and an all-around camera experience. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just a tech enthusiast, the Find X8 is designed to deliver excellence in every category.